Nat Geo Wild's The Incredible Dr. Pol star, Dr. Jan Pol, may look like the best veterinarian in the whole wide world, but a closer look at his career shows a past full of controversies. He has been named in several lawsuits and complaints about how he runs his veterinary practices and has put his veterinary license on probation multiple times. Dr. Pol's latest lawsuit. According to court documents, the state's decision to put 77-year-old famous veterinarian Jan Pol on professional probation due to carelessness was upheld by the Michigan Court of Appeals last month, which decided against the doctor. The State Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs placed Dr. Pol on probation in 2018 for carelessness during surgery on a puppy and the treatment of an injured horse. The court's ruling upholds that order. The state attorney general investigated it and filed a complaint for failing to intubate the dog during surgery, failing to use an electronic monitoring device during the procedure, failing to request assistance locating the dog's uterus during surgery, and failing to wear a surgical cap, mask, and gown during the procedure. It was a reference to the ovariohysterectomy that Dr. Pol carried out on a dog in 2013. Another complaint was filed with the state in 2015 by the owners of the horse, who claimed that Dr. Pol had neglected to remove the horse's hair close to the laceration and had not used a cap, gown, or gloves when treating a cut on their animal's leg. How the lawsuit ended. The state had not demonstrated that Dr. Pol was careless or unable to take proper care of the dog or horse, according to the administrative law judge who examined the two complaints. However, law authorities put Dr. Pol on probation after rejecting a portion of the judge's suggested ruling. In order to comply with the conditions of the decision, Dr. Pol was directed to serve a probationary period, pay all associated fees, and finish continuing education. Dr. Pol contested the Lara order, but on December 19th, the appeals court upheld the judgment. A string of lawsuits. Dr. Pol has already faced accusations of careless behavior. He was placed on probation back in 2012 due to an event that occurred in April 2010 where he was unable to appropriately read a canine ultrasound. Additionally, a veterinarian accused Dr. Pol of not wearing sterile surgical gear when operating on a Boston Terrier that had been struck by a car in a previous complaint that was made against him in 2014. In response to this allegation, Lara imposed a year-long probationary period and a $500 punishment on Dr. Pol. Nevertheless, in 2016, the Michigan Court of Appeals reversed Lara's disciplinary action, finding insufficient evidence. Petful also listed out several other instances where they believed he was careless, from severing a dog's tail to cutting another dog's femoral head without using sanitary procedures or the appropriate anesthetic. Quick facts. Series premiere. The Incredible Dr. Pol premiered on October 29, 2011, on Nat Geo Wild. The show follows Dutch-American veterinarian Dr. Jan Pol as he manages his veterinary clinic in rural Michigan. Dr. Pol's background. Dr. Jan Pol graduated from Utrecht University in the Netherlands in 1971 and moved to Michigan, where he has been practicing as a large animal veterinarian. His experiences and charismatic approach have made him a beloved figure in the veterinary community. Record-breaking viewer numbers. By its fifth year in 2015, the show had become Nat Geo Wild's most-watched program, consistently drawing over 1 million viewers per episode, underscoring Dr. Pol's popularity. Expansion of services. Over the years, Dr. Pol's clinic has grown significantly, offering services not only to large farm animals, but also to small pets and exotic creatures, showcasing a wide range of veterinary skills. Cast addition. Dr. Brenda Grettenberger. Dr. Brenda Grettenberger, who joined Dr. Pol's team in the early 1990s, became a fan favorite for her dedicated work and practical approach to animal care. She was featured from the show's start and continues to be a pivotal part of the team.